Hi. Okay, sorry, what was your name again?
Chuck Johnson.
Chuck Johnson.
You can call me Chuck.
Okay. Dr. Clark basically gave me a call. He wanted me to go ahead and talk with some of his patients about lifestyle issues and how that might affect their treatment. So let's go ahead and get started. He wants me to look into
What's your name?
Oh, it's Maggie. Yeah.
I call you Maggie. Okay.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
So he wants me to kind of discuss potential drug use that might affect, prescription drugs, things like this. Like, for instance, do you drink any caffeine?
Oh, yes.
Okay. How much?
About 6 cups a day.
Ooh, 6 cups. Yeah, that's a lot of coffee. Tobacco?
Not for 30 years.
Okay. So 30 years ago. Did you smoke a lot then?
Yes.
Okay. What about alcohol?
I have a couple of glasses of wine every night.
Okay. Like 2, 3?
I have about two every night.
2. Okay. Anything else?
I play poker once a week, and
Okay.
I have about 4 beers during that evening.
Okay. Any other ever drink hard liquor, anything like that?
Maybe at a wedding I'll have a gin and tonic or something like that along with the wine.
Okay. The reason I kind of ask is because basically what your doctor sent over to me was this copy of your liver screenings. As you can see, this is looking at your liver enzymes. We have the normal range and we have the elevated, and you're definitely in the elevated range.
He told me that was one of the reasons he wanted me to see you.
Yeah.
Because it was elevated.
Yeah, basically, when we see someone over here, it's pretty consistent with alcoholic behavior. It's usually that someone's drinking quite a bit every day. I mean, usually more than just a couple glasses of wine.
But I've been drinking like this for a long, long time, for maybe 10 years. Are you telling me I'm an alcoholic?
I mean, not necessarily, but, what I'm saying is what the results here are telling me is that usually a person in this range is drinking more than just a couple glasses
No, that's
every
all
day.
I've been having. That's all I've been having.
Okay. Maybe we should try another screening. Are you open to doing a screening test with me?
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. Be glad to. Yeah, I'll do that.
All right, excellent. Okay, let me go ahead and fill in this basic information. Chuck. All right. So, number 1, how often do you have a drink containing alcohol? 0 being never.
Every
1,
day.
Okay,
Every day.
every day. All right, so we're going to put 4 or more times a week. All right, how many drinks containing alcohol do you have on a typical day when you're drinking?
My 2 glasses of wine.
Okay. So
Maybe a third now and then.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put you in a 3 to 4 then. Okay, how often do you have, for men, 5 or more drinks on one occasion?
Never.
Never? Okay. What about, have you ever felt you could cut down on your drinking?
Oh, sure. I've always felt that I could.
Oh, sorry, this actually says should cut down.
Oh, no.
Have you ever felt
no,
you should?
No.
Okay. Have people annoyed you by criticizing your drinking?
Yeah, my wife and my daughter occasionally.
Okay. Have you ever felt bad or guilty about your drinking?
No, not particularly.
Okay. Have you ever had a drink first thing in the morning to steady your nerves or get rid of a hangover?
No.
Okay. Well, basically, with this screening, you can see, here's the answers we put on. It says a score of 3 or more points in questions 1 through 3, a client should be referred for evaluation. So, let's see, where are we? Yeah, 3 or more points in questions 1 through 3. It looks like you've got 4, 6 points. So that's definitely in the referral for evaluation.
But I've answered, oh, no. Referral where? What are you talking about?
As you can see, it's saying 3 or more points. Here, your first question, you said
okay.
4 or more times a week. That's
see,
4 points.
I see. Okay,
And then how many drinks containing alcohol?
Okay.
We put you in the 3 to 4. That's another 2 points. So that gets us up to 6 points here.
And what does this refer to evaluation mean? I thought that's what I was here for.
Yeah, I think what really we're looking at here is you're probably going to want to go talk to someone a little bit further about cutting down on your drinking.
You're talking to me about alcohol counseling?
Well,
I'm not an alcoholic. I can quit when I need to, but I enjoy
yeah,
it.
I
It
mean,
provides me with things.
yeah, we are talking about alcohol counseling here.
Well, I didn't come here for that. I came to talk about my medical tests.
Well,
And I don't see that this is going to happen. I really don't. What about the rest of the test?
okay. I think the rest of the test is really going to tell us what we already see here in the first couple questions, but we can look through it. A report of drinking 6 or more drinks on one occasion. Well, you didn't really say that. A yes answer to one of questions 4 through 7. Any drinking is indicated in answer to question 1 through 3. So basically it's saying a yes answer to one of questions 4 through 7. So if we look at 4 through 7, here we are, number 5. That was a yes.
But that's just common. Wives and people always say, "Oh, you should stop drinking," or "You've had enough today." I don't find that that's particularly helpful.
Well, I mean, I'm just going off the test here, and basically what we're seeing on this test is that, you've gotten 6 points in the first couple questions, you've answered one of our main questions,
I'm
yes.
not a number. I am not a number. I don't believe in these kinds of tests. They don't inform me at all.
I know,
They're too
but
generic.
basically the test is telling us the same thing that your enzymes are telling us here, is that, the alcohol is a problem.